Okay, this is 1530 Spruce Street. Large apartment building in the Rittenhouse Square neighborhood, bordering Rittenhouse Square Graduate Hospital. Tons of bars and restaurants nearby. It sits on beautiful Spruce Street. The building's called the Newport. Okay, it's really pretty. Well maintained, updated building. Nice land, like flower pots. It's a really pretty building. This is the main entrance. Keypad entry. There's a small gym in the building. It's an elevator building as well. Goes all the way to the end there. And all the way up. There's a second entrance. Or exit. Around the corner. So again, keypad entry. Can be dropped off inside the locked door, which is a huge benefit today. Okay, this is the common area. Really nicely maintained, great security. Okay, that's that other entrance I was showing you before. Here's the elevator, stairwell. Okay, I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna be waiting a second. I'm gonna go down to see some of the other common spaces. There's your mail area. Okay. Another one of your exits. The elevator. That's how you would get up to the unit. Again, really nicely maintained. Well secured property. If you don't have stackable washer dryer in the unit, which many of them do, these are some common area units if needed. Here's the fitness center. So everything will go on. Nice machines. That's the game. Standard bench. Weights. Cardio equipment. That's the common space. Now, as we head back up, we would then be going up to the unit. That's what will connect to this video to show you the main space. Hope you like it.
Hello everyone, I'm in the Newport building. On the second floor, just came out of this elevator. I'm about to show you a one-bedroom unit And as you come out of the elevator, the first thing you see on the right is the stairs. Here is the elevator. And the unit I'm going to show you is unit 221. So as you walk in, you'll see beautiful unit with a very high ceiling and a lot of natural light. You walk the hallway. It's a beautiful hardwood floor. And when you get here on your right hand side, you have a huge bedroom. A little window over there, and you have big closet space. Yeah. And you have second one here with a shelf. You fit a lot of stuff in here. It's very big size bedroom. Here you have a tinted window where you can where you can get some light, natural light. And the next room I want to show you is this amazing living area. You have beautiful windows, a lot of natural light. It's just a very spacious place. Here, as you walk in, you also have two closets. The first one is a storage closet. The next one is where your washing machine, washer and dryer, tucked in nicely. You can just put it out of sight by closing the door. And next to that, you have this magnificent bathroom, big bathroom. It's a tile floor, tile wall. Nice. You also have vanity and medicine cabinet. Here you have toilet. Nice. Back to the living area again. So you have here a little bit of a dining area with huge window. You're looking out to Spruce Street. Then you have the open kitchen. Beautiful open kitchen with stainless steel appliances, little island here. You have an island here. A lot of storage cabinets. You have stainless steel refrigerator. You have stainless steel gas oven. You have a dishwasher, deep sink. You also have a garbage disposal. You have a built-in microwave. This is your view from the kitchen. It's just a beautiful one-bedroom unit in the Newport building. Alright guys, just showed you unit 221. An amazing apartment. It's a one-bedroom unit with a lot of cool features. Thank you for watching.